All opinions discussed in this video are personal. Please pay a certified fund manager for accurate recommendation. Disclaimer: this is not a stock recommendation. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Take Stock. Today's discussion is about the forerunner of India's stock market, which has released its September quarter results yesterday. This company has a many firsts to its name, starting as a polyester company and later growing into an oil refining giant, with tentacles spreading into all sectors, including its current domination in telecom and retail. Yes, we are here to talk about Reliance Industries Limited. Reading into September quarter numbers on its oil business, the revenue on petrochemicals alone has slid by almost one quarter to 23%. The refining revenue descended by 36%. This, coupled with a fall in its refining margin, is quite a concern. However, the revenue can be expected to pick up once demand recovers. Its retail division saw a drop of close to 5% in terms of revenue, which is promising as it is showing indicators of a revival in demand, while compared to the 17% fall in the previous quarter. The ongoing tussle between Amazon and Reliance is an interesting watch, as the outcome of this would have a direct bearing on the next segment which we are going to discuss. Reliance Jio. The telecom unit of the conglomerate is on its way to take off in a big way, with revenue surging at 33%, which requires some elaboration. Reliance Industries is currently on its road to transitioning from an oil-based company to a technology-based company, with Jio Platforms at its epicenter. This, coupled with the favorable political climate of the recent Farm Bill implementation, the retail segment, coupled with Jio Platforms, is set to get a shot in the arm. In this regard, it is important to note that $20 billion investment, including technology giants such as Facebook and Google, is into Reliance Jio Platforms, but not in the flagship Reliance Industries. The flagship continues to hold a stake of little less than 70% in the Jio Platforms. The heat of the courtroom battle between Amazon and Reliance is due to the fact that the former will lose its dominance in the market, as Reliance is capable of quickly replacing Amazon due to the synergy from its subsidiaries. All said and done, Reliance is well on its way to a complete change in call sign from an oil company to a technology company. Reliance Communication led the 3G revolution in India, and Jio Telecommunication shows the same promise for 5G technology. Moving on to the technical analysis of the share price movement, one could see a good long build-up on Friday's session after the announcement of its Q2 numbers. It has also seen a good correction of more than 10% in its recent highs from its recent highs of Rs 2,370 and is trading only 2% above its next support levels. On a long-term basis, this stock has seen doubling your investment every 2.5 years, and I am expecting this trend to continue as it has remained so for the past 20 years. This stock has also seen a steady rise in its price to earning ratio. This is due to its technology transition. It may be noted that companies heavily invested in technology tend to charge a premium over the market. The only flip side to this stock is its high debt levels and interest outgo, which the promoters are ardently working towards fixing. My personal opinion is that Reliance Industries, which commands a regular 30% of trading by value in the stock exchange itself, is a must in anyone's portfolio, and current price levels suggest a buying opportunity. This channel is a daily podcast intended to help daily traders and retail investors to bring them up to date with technical analysis as well as new snippets on stocks. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to take stock at 8 before the opening bell of the stock market every day. Thank you.